This is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use earring back converters to convert your post earrings into clip-on earrings. So I'm going to demonstrate with a recent pair of earrings that I made here. So these are the Witchy earrings, and you can see that I added a little ear nut onto the back there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove that, and you can remove whichever backing you've been working with. And then I'm going to take this earring converter here, and if you look closely, you can see that there's a bullet clutch earring at the bottom that has been attached to this clip-on earring. So all I'm going to do is just sort of gently, just sort of wiggle it on in there, making sure that it gets all the way back through. And this is where you just might need to see, this is really tight, but it's good because you're not going to lose your earring that way. So just kind of wiggle it on there. Perfect. All right, so now it has a little adjustable mechanism here at the top, so you can actually twist that, and you can see that it's making that center smaller. So you can adjust the size, but then once you've gotten to the size that you want to fit around your earlobe, which is going to be right in this little space here, it actually has a little lever back that you can pull, and then you can set it on your ear, and then clip it on as though you would any other clip-on earring. So you can see how easy that is, and you can convert, and it will look like from the front, and I'll just kind of show you on my finger there, it'll look like you just have a little piece on your ear there. So that's where what would sit in what would be the hole of your piercing. Okay, so that is how easy it is, and I'm showing you on the gold here so you can really see the difference between the post and the clip-on earring here, but we do have these in gold and silver, so that is how easy it is to use the earring post converters. These are great pieces to use if you don't have pierced ears or if you're giving a gift to someone who doesn't have pierced ears. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can head on over to Beadaholique.com to see even more tutorial videos and to get all you've seen here today.